Khotkhati Sports Association atumpen ingdeng hini Khotkhati Super League angdung kiti football ke pachupon. Chiti ni phaing corner cap arni Khotkhati Sports Association atumpen chipatir pi ponsi Jagriti Football Pathua Klamalong Karlitang Sarthetiron pen Karlitang Silong Bongrung Chikimo Amen pen ingdeng hini Khotkhati Super League angdung kiti football ke pathu paman pon ingdeng hini Khotkhati Super League ke pathu pon lake Nothong Phantom FC lapen Lahorijan Club angbong si ingtang kring pen pathu pon lo pupu angbong kapathu thek pikajok goal hini an chethapon renti siapor chok de da jok api penalty chitur thu si goal thom pen Nothong Phantom FC atum chipahai pon lo hini angdeng Khotkhati Super League angdong giti football ke pathu pon along manpeng ke do aluhi sarpo aman pen Abarin EM Jivan Chandra Pathak KSA Athletics Rajenrong P Bongrung Arong SGB Babu Bongrung Gautam Basti GB Ganakhar Gautam Bokajan Education Board Chairman Sardili Be Philip Teron Food and Civil Supply Board Chairman Rajbu Teron Maipu Khotkhati Sports Association Ajay Bongrung Chunbang Khotkhati Sports Association Tularam Gwala Bengnabil Romon Teron GB Nothong Teron pen Chenglok Man ke doatum chitong dunsi angdung kiti football ke pathu RD pidun pen Misen pen pichun pon Berta Pangdak pon Bokajan pen Biren Teron 365 News India
Pining ingdeng hini Khotkhati Super League labang sodat Bengnabil Jagriti Club laso playground long dipon no laso ki dipon pen nilitum angkrit chithek iklong kisuman doiklo je mesen a players bari somar ba ariso jangatum khela na tani kang sam pena joine ka khela anika aruna anika sam na paklang na joine nilitum mesen a din iklong lo sonthak thaksi Karbi Anglong Sports Association poipen I interest nang ki pi ajoini la focus nang ka kuri ajoini nelitum Khotkhati Sports Association pen pining I lika long noi sita mini Khotkhati Sports Association a player sonson sita mini hala ake hai Sumon Piron kuna sita dak Khotkhati Sports Association player dak pensi alangli hadak Morning Star laswa a club along patudun pen pining I lika long an bangke alangli amen cipa dudun pen non fa Kolkata long patudun bo si chithek bin long
ini patu Super League tu patu long tim PPA tim apa tu
labang su Khotkhati Super League long ke patu ke kadok kawe club nar kep ang bong club truck pining chi abang ke club truck chitong iglo labang su club truck ka chitong igalong pen Lahorijan youth club do lapen ke Donkam Club do lapen ke Nothong Village Phantom Football Club do lapen ke Bengnabil Jagriti Club Senior Junior la tim ni do ampen lapen ke Kasarigao Youth Club prai tim truck pininga bangke chitong lo lasi piniana bangke hoktai si pa thu det api final papa thu long pen mesen atim non du Karbi Anglong Sports Association pen kibi ponji Karbi Anglong Sports Association pen club li kibi ponji lo chipate du longji apan tu li fon long
pinina le to malo aluhi sarpo pen ba kasa pen thona chitong bundoma
aluhi sarpo manpeng kithe kasa along vice president ba ex-EM Sir Jivan Chandra Pathak lapen ke adun thu nang chitong dun thu do board chairman Karbi Anglong Sports Association along ta AGS alangli Sir Philip Teron lapen